So as you guys know, I've been making quite a lot of videos on this Xiaomi Mi A3 and I'm praising it a lot. No doubt it's a very good smartphone. But every smartphone has their cons as well as their pros. So in this video, I'm going to highlight some of the problems that I have found in this smartphone. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is the top 5 reasons not to buy this Xiaomi Mi A3. So let's begin. So guys, before starting this video, let me give you a small disclaimer over here that every smartphone has a lot of pros and a lot of cons too. So I'm gonna make a video where I will show you all the reasons to buy this smartphone. But in this particular video, I'm going to tell you 5 reasons not to purchase this smartphone. So if you think that those reasons affect you a lot, then you should skip this device. So yeah, with that said, let's begin. So first of all, let me tell you the biggest reason not to buy this smartphone is the 720p AMOLED display. First of all, let me clear out, this 720p AMOLED display is one of the best displays that I have used. I mean, it's a AMOLED first of all, and I don't think so that it's that much noticeable as compared to certain 1080p displays. I mean, if you do the pixel peeping, then you will be able to find out that it has a lower resolution display. But guys, it has a lower resolution display after all. So that would be a biggest reason not to buy this smartphone. But let me tell you that the display of this smartphone is pretty good, very contrasty, black levels. As you know that it has a AMOLED display, so black levels are very deep. So very awesome display it has, but the resolution is very less. So if you're concerned about that, you should skip this device. Then after that, as you know, this is also the cheapest smartphone that comes with the in-display fingerprint scanner. And I have to say that this is one of the slowest fingerprint scanner that I have used. It is not that accurate and it's very slow too. So if you are habitual of using a fast fingerprint scanner, then using this fingerprint scanner will be a little bit irritating for you. So yeah, this is also be the biggest reason not to buy this smartphone. Then after that, a lot of smartphone in this price category to 10 to 15,000, there you will find dedicated micro SD card slot. But as you know, this smartphone does not have a dedicated SD card slot. You have a hybrid slot. So basically you can put 2 SIM cards or a SIM and a SD card together. So that's kind of a disappointing in my opinion, especially in this price category. Now moving to the next big reason not to buy this smartphone is the software. I mean, don't get me wrong here, Android One is very good software. It has a stock Android, but it is not that optimized. There are lots and lots of bugs that I have noticed in this smartphone so far, because it's not that long ago that they have launched this device, so the bugs are not completely fixed. That other last reason not to purchase this smartphone would going to be the battery and the charger. I mean, it has a 4000 mAh battery, which is a very awesome phone, but it is not that optimized yet to utilize that full 4000 mAh potential. So yeah, that's kind of disappointing in my opinion. But it has a support of 18 watt fast charging, but sadly Xiaomi has not included 18 watt fast charging in the box. What are you doing, Xiaomi? I mean, look at the Realme. They have included 20 watt VOOC 3.0 charger in the Realme 5 Pro box. But if you would have given the 18 watt fast charger inside the box, it would be a really awesome deal. So these are all the reasons why you should not consider this device. So yeah, that's all in this video guys. I hope you do found this video helpful. If you did, then hit that like button. But still, if you want to purchase this smartphone, I will leave a link in the description box below from where you can purchase it. And by the way, if you love my content, hit that subscribe with the bell notification icon so you'll be notified when I post new videos like this one and many more awesome content in the future. And guys, please share this video with your friends who are looking to buy this smartphone or who are looking not to buy this smartphone, you know. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye.